Hi everyone, this head wrap is beginners friendly and is very easy. I'm working with 4 layers of ashoke. So the first thing I did was to pleat it. After pleating, I'm going to replace my hand here with a rubber band. So after replacing my hand, see the outcome of it. This is it. Then I'm going to fold it in, turn my hand, then place it on my head. Just watch my hand and see what I'm doing so you can be able to do it by yourself, okay? Now, after placing it on my head, I'm going to tuck the edges in the side edges. I'll tuck one side in first, then go over to the other side and tucking in properly, arrange it. Then where I'm holding now, I'm going to be replacing my hand with a rubber band, okay? You can see this style is very easy and very simple. And please, if today is the first time you are coming across my video, don't forget to follow this page and also help me to share this video out to your friends, and let me also know where you are watching me from, okay? Write your location at the comment section. Thank you very much for doing that. So after replacing my hand here, you're going to see the next thing I'll do, okay? Now I'll make sure it is tight and it is well arranged. So the remaining parts here, I'm going to fold here into two, arrange it, fold it into four, arrange it, fold again into six, and arrange it, okay? Once I'm done arranging, I'm going to place it on my head. Just watch my hand, place it on my head, arrange it, then take it round. I'm going to take it round. As I'm taking it round, I'm arranging it, okay? Just watch my hand and see what I'm doing. Bring it to the front. I'll bring it to the front, drag it, place it on my head. You can see the first rubber band that I use here, the one at the middle here. I'm going to pass it through that same rubber band, okay? Passing it through that same rubber band, I'll bring everything out entirely and arrange it. After arranging, I'm going to form a rose here at this front. You can see, I'll open it up, open the remaining, start to pleat to form this rose, okay? Form a rough pleat, then take it round, continue to form a rough pleat, take it round. I will take it round till I am done with the whole fabric, okay? Don't forget to form a rough pleat so that it will be neat. Taking it round. So towards this end here, I'm going to take everything entirely. Then as I'm going to the end part, I'm going to leave some, okay? Then that tip there, I'm going to secure it with a pin. Once I'm done securing, I'm going to arrange, and I am done. You can see it is beginners friendly. It is very easy. It is very simple to learn. So how do you see this head wrap? I hope you can tie this by yourself. This is the end product of it. The side, the front, and the back is very easy. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate. See you in my next video. Bye.